What's up guys, Steffanina back with another tutorial for you, and today I'm gonna be teaching you one of my favorite fun vibey pieces that I've done in a minute. This was a collab with my boy Kenneth, my little bro. He's back visiting in LA, so we had to do a collab. And this one's a great piece if you are newer to choreo, but you're really starting to wanna level up past beginner stuff, because it's not too difficult, but it has a lot of moments in it that you can really push your ear, your technique, your cleanliness. So once you get it through the first time, go watch it with the music a few times and make sure you're catching all the details, because there's a lot of stuff you can add to this as you get more comfortable with it. But you guys know I'm trying to be more consistent with the tutorials now that I'm back in LA. Hopefully till the end of the year, I'm gonna be posting a lot. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, if you don't have notifications on, and you don't have me on Instagram, go check all the things, click all the buttons, bells, whatever. And I'm gonna be back on here, like I say, posting a lot more. So also, once you guys post a cover, go find a couple other people that covered it too. Comment on their stuff, share the love. All right, so if you guys are ready, let's get to this one. It's Highest in the Room, Travis Scott. All right guys, so as usual, we're gonna flip this and mirror it so you can follow along with me. This routine starts on your right foot, and it actually starts really full out with a lot of energy. So the way you're gonna do this walk forward is you're just going right and right and right, 3 times like that. Your arms are gonna go out and up and out. And from here, you're gonna take your right foot across, you're gonna hit this bass, then you're gonna hit another bass here, bass, and then you're gonna go ta, ta, ta. So it's really full out fast, and then you gotta be patient for a second. Let's get this timing. You go 6, 7, 8, it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So see how I waited on that? I was boom, you wanna hit that hard. Boom, 5, boom, ta, ta, ta. Then from here, your right hand is gonna grab your left leg, and you're gonna pull it in, and notice how when I do that, I leave my arm and my shoulder back here. So I'm whoop, and then I bring my arm, boom, on the bass. Then I'm gonna grab to my shoulder and I'm gonna go, ooh. And there's literally a thing in the music, he says ah, so let's make it, na, 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 is gonna be your rhythm. So you have this hip, arm, ah, your left leg comes up, then you're gonna step down on it, you're gonna go 6, twist your heels to the front, you're gonna go ta, ta, then you're gonna step back on your left and go cross and up. And this up is just sort of saying what? With your own vibe, because all that matters from here is that you hold this for a second so you can go ta, ta, twist your head, and then smack, clap down. Cool, so let's get that slow from the top. You go 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. It goes 1, 2, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and ta-ta, schmack. Nice. So if the song is newer to you, it might take you a couple times of really listening, but what you want to listen for, here I said bass, because literally the sound goes doom, doom, and then it goes back in the lyrics. So let's make it, tick, tick, from here, going on, shoom. You're gonna catch the bass again, you're gonna go boom, pull that back, and notice how my chest is lifted, because I'm gonna go boom and knock down on the next bass. Then I'm gonna take my left leg out, I'm gonna go out, out, wave. And the arms on these first 2 are freestyle. Everybody was doing something just conversational hands, you're talking to somebody, nothing too crazy full out. You don't wanna be doing all that. Just chill, chill, wave. And when I start this wave, it's my right hand is high first. It comes down. Then I'm gonna catch this yo right here. Then my feet are gonna go left, right, and that's gonna bring me all the way around to come in. So one more time, bass. So actually, let's go from the clap. Clap. This was bass. You hit down bass. You go out, out, wave. Right hand starts it. Then you catch it here. Doom, left, right, all the way around. Then you're just gonna go real clean. Elbow, knee, knee, listen. So in here, this is going 6 and 7, 8, and listen on the 1. Good. So that's the first half already. Let's go from the top one time, and then we're gonna keep going. Finish it up. You go 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and ta ta, click, bass, 6, 7, 8, wave. 1, 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and yeah. Nice, so practice that a couple times till you feel like you got it, and now we're gonna go on to the last part, which this next section is really chill, and then it has a little bit of musicality at the end to challenge you. But from here, all you're gonna do is drop onto your right leg. You're gonna go here. He's gonna say, nah. So it's like this, like, doom, nah, hey. And dun, 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 nah, and he says nah again there. So basically, the step is just right foot, then you have nah, and you wanna do something that's like nah, whatever, nah. Then you tap, left, tap, right, and then you have another nah. So slow, I don't know why it's like so hard to think of as slow. Let's just do it normal speed together. You're here on 1, 7, 8, and 1, 2, nah, and a chill, and a nah. Then from here, last part, you tap your foot in front, tap your foot behind, and then it's gonna scoop through, drop. So that's the feet, and we wanna make this after D, D, D. It kind of like, I actually lift my right heel up even a little bit to make it like, ooh, kind of scoop through and almost like into a body wave. So I'm going here, I go up, up, drop. Your arms just touch with the right hand. Nothing here on the arms, just a little whatever, you're kind of vibing like here. Then you're gonna go, ooh. He says something about his beard, I think. Maybe I'm getting the lyrics completely wrong. Something about a beard, you're just gonna chill for a second, then you're gonna go, click. It's like you're playing a guitar almost, like shoom, strum down on that click. Then we're gonna actually catch the guitar sound from here, which goes, bida-down-no, bida-down-no. Those 4 like really quick ones, you're gonna go, bida-down-no. So this is right and left and. So your feet are just ba-da-da-da. Your hand is ba-da-da-da. Really easy, but together, ba-da-da-da. Nice and clean. You're gonna go shoulder, shoulder, right, left. Then you're gonna step, right, left. Then you're gonna grab the wheel, zoom. You're gonna say skirt, knee. Last move, you're just gonna turn around to your left. You're gonna step back, right, left, ooh, and you're gonna chill this out. And he says, so let's make it out of here. And then the beat like cuts out and everything goes really chill. So you wanna make sure on that last one, whatever it is that you do, it could be like a wave. I think that's what I did in my freestyle, or it could like push down, but you wanna kind of go into this like slower, vibier thing for your freestyle, because that's where the music sort of takes it. And that's it, it's the whole combo. Good job, you guys. Told you this one's like got some challenging pieces, but it's not super long, so it's a really good combo to kind of work on your picking up of choreography, see how fast you can get it, but really try to get all those details of the musicality. So let's just go back and clean it one time from here all the way through to the end, and then we'll put the whole thing together. And remember, after you do this A, you have this whole groove. This is just sort of freestyle with your arms, and then you hit the next A, right? So let's get this timing, because the timing's what's difficult on this part. You go 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, A. And a da-da whatever, and a zoom, A. 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 3, and a 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1. Hit, turn, and back, back, chill. So you might have got a little lost on because it's fast, right? So the musicality, what you're gonna listen for when you try it with the music is the guitar first. We talked about that. Da-da-da-da. Then he's gonna say, got the fastest car like zoom, click. Got the fastest car like zoom. So that's your rhythm. 1, 2, 3. Da-da-da-da. Got the fastest car like zoom, click, ooh. And a 7, 8, and 1. And that's when you chill it out. All right, so hopefully that helps. That's, I think, the most difficult part just because the timing is sort of fast. So stay on that for a minute till you find it. Really listen to it with the music. I know you guys will get it. So now let's take it back. Let's try from the very top. Slowly first, and then up to speed. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Go zoom. And 4, 6, and 7, 8, and 1. 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and knee, and hut. Doom, A. Chill it out, whatever, zoom, A. 6 and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and a 5 and 6 and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, turn 5, 7, 8, and 1, Nice. All right, that's the chill. Slow version is obviously a little faster than that, but if you get that one clean and strong, it's gonna be really easy to speed it up. So spend a couple times on that. Once you feel like you might have it, push yourself. Let's go to the fast version now. You ready? 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, dee dee da and boom. And 4, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 6, da 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 da, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 3, hey, chill it out and hey, doom, hey, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 3, da da da, the fastest car like zoom, click you, and a dun dun out of here, and a little freestyle, whatever you're feeling, some isolations or something real wavy because it's chill. Then you can catch some of his like, yeah, all his ad-libs and stuff. So guys, that's the whole combo. Great job today. I'm sure you're killing it. Hopefully you're a little out of breath like I am. Remember with this one, it's really important to have different levels of energy. That first 3 counts, doom, doom, ta, 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 like should be so full out. But then when you lock into here, this should be zoom, zoom, like really controlled, and then back to full out, back to small, right? Always trying to control our body, our energy, and tell a story, like have some moments where you're like, little small things, and then boom, now we're back to full out. That's what's gonna make it interesting to watch. But can't wait to see your videos. Make sure you tag me in them. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and I'll be back. Lots of tutorials coming for you guys before the end of the year. Let's get it.